So hello guys, matagal-tagal din akong hindi nakagawa ng video and this time mag-unbox ulit tayo. So I'm unboxing this Shokz Openrun bone conductor headphone. So this is bone conductor, so hindi siya inilalagay sa ear, and I'm really quite curious how this work. Pero I've read, you can watch on YouTube, may mga YouTube video creator na gumawa ng review and explanation how bone conductor headphones work. So hindi mo siya kailangan ipasok sa ear, so maririnig mo yun sa paligid mo. And I'm going to use this while working so that I can still hear people around me, and also I will use this on traveling. Maganda siyang gamitin pag nag-travel kasi maririnig mo yun nasa paligid mo. Kapag binusinahan ka, you will hear, and pag may parating na sasakyan. So ito na siya. Ayan o. I got this from Shopee using part of it using my podium points. So ang shined out ko lang dito is around 1,200. So ito na siya. Yung pinagbilhan ko nito sa Shopee, lalagay ko sa description box below. Ayan, it's sealed. So meron pa siyang plastic. So let's open it up. So makikita nyo naman seal na seal and hindi ko siya mabuksan. I think kailangan kong alisin yung buong plastic. So ang hirap na alisin. So gamitan na natin siguro ito ng gunting. Pinapahirapan ko yung sarili ko, diba? Sige, guntingin na nga natin. Ayoko sanang alisin yung buong plastic eh. Pero since mahirap siyang ilabas, alisin na natin. And here it is. Ayan. So there it is. And let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Plain one white box. Nasa ibabaw yung mismong bone conductor headset. Really a premium quality. Then there's the warranty card, and then in this little box, I think nandito yung parang pouch, yan tama, mini pouch ng Shokz where you could put the headset, and there will be yan the user manual. This, by the way, is the Openrun Mini. Prefer ko yung maliit kasi maliit lang naman yung circumference ng head ko. And this is the user guide manual. And then we have more paperworks here. It shows the description on any etc. of the item itself. Ayan. So sa mga mahilig magbasa, gusto nyo bang basahin to? For me, no. Mga ganito talaga, hindi ko binabasa. Probably the user manual, I will. And then there's one more thing here. Here is the charger. And as per mga napanood ko sa YouTube din on how to use it, it's magnetized. Let's open up the charger. Pwedeng connect sa power bank or sa power adapter. And let's try. Nice. So this is just a simply unboxing video lang talaga. And you can see the item is complete, everything is good. So that's it for now. Bye!